In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to reconcile a pay run, 5 minutes. Let's get started inside Xero. Sign into your account and head straight to the main dashboard. From there, open Payroll and choose Pay Employees. Before you can reconcile anything, the pay run needs to be posted. Select the relevant pay run, review the figures to make sure they're final, and post the pay run. Confirm the post when prompted. Once that's done, open View Reports, then launch the pay run journal in a new window. Keep that journal handy, you'll copy details from it shortly. Next, move to Accounting and open bank accounts. Choose the bank account you use to pay wages, select Manage Account, and click Import a Statement. If you don't already have a file ready, download the Xero CSV template provided on this page. This template is the safest way to ensure your upload formats correctly. Now switch to the pay run journal you opened earlier, copy the details you want to reconcile, typically the wage payment totals and dates, into the CSV template. Make sure the amounts and signs are correct and that the payment date matches the date money left your bank. Add a clear description so the reconciliation is easy to identify later. Save the CSV. Back in Xero, choose Select File, upload your completed CSV, and click Next. Set the date format to match your file. This is crucial for a clean import. Then click Next again. When everything looks right, select Complete Import. You should see those transactions now available for reconciliation. Go to the Reconcile tab for your bank account, locate the imported payroll transaction, select it, and complete the details in the who, what, and why fields. Who is the contact or payee? What is the appropriate account code, often your payroll or wages expense in any clearing account you use? And why is a short description such as the pay period or batch reference? Take a moment to ensure the amount matches your pay run journal. When you're satisfied, click OK to reconcile. Finally, open the Account Transactions tab to confirm the reconciled item appears correctly and aligns with your pay run totals. If something doesn't match, revisit the pay run journal and your CSV to correct dates, amounts, or descriptions, then re-import if needed. And that's it. You've posted your pay run, imported the statement, reconciled the payroll transaction, and verified it, all within Xero quickly and accurately.